Welcome to the assembly and setup guide for the Gobbler Security Safe Digital Locker GS170. This step-by-step guide will assist you in setting up and using your safe effectively. Please follow the instructions carefully to ensure proper operation. Step 1. Unboxing and inventory check. Carefully unbox the Gobbler Security Safe GS170. Check the contents of the package to ensure you have all the necessary components, including screws, batteries, the manual book, and the override key. Step 2. Preparing the safe for assembly. Find a suitable location for your safe, ensuring it is placed on a stable and level surface. Locate the pre-drilled holes on the back or bottom of the safe. Align the holes on the safe with the corresponding holes on the mounting surface. Insert the screws provided into the holes and use a screwdriver or drill to tighten them securely. Step 3. Open the safe with your override key. Locate the override key provided with the safe. Insert the override key into the override key hole, usually located on the front of the safe. Turn the key anti-clockwise and turn the knob clockwise to unlock the safe. Step 4. Installing batteries. Locate the battery compartment on the inside of the safe door. Open the battery compartment cover. Insert the required batteries, following the polarity markings inside the compartment. Close the battery compartment securely. Step 5. Setting the user code. Press the red button. The yellow light on the panel will be on. Enter a desired user code using the numerical keypad. You can use code from 3 digits to 8 digits. Press C to finish. Step 6. To open the safe by user code. Input the code that you set and press C the green light on. Once the correct code is entered, the safe will emit a beep or display an unlocked status indicator. Please turn the knob clockwise in 5 seconds and pull out to open the safe. Step 7. Closing the safe. Close the safe door. Turn the knob anti-clockwise. The safe will emit a beep or display a locked status indicator, indicating that it is securely closed. In case of wrong code while entering the code, just press C and press put the code again. Do remember keep the override key in a secure place. Do not keep the override key inside the safe box. Make sure to keep the override key and user manual book in a secure and easily accessible location. If you have any questions or need assistance, please consult the manual or contact Gobbler Security's customer support.